Shiitake mushrooms have been an important food source and medicinal ingredient in East Asian countries for centuries. These mushrooms are known for their unique flavor, texture, and numerous health benefits. While they can be found growing in the wild, they are also commercially farmed on a large scale. The cultivation of shiitake mushrooms began in China over 1,000 years ago, where they were grown on logs using a method known as laying logs. This method involved inoculating the logs with shiitake spores and placing them in a shaded area to allow the mushrooms to grow. The logs were kept moist by spraying them with water, and after several months, the shiitake mushrooms were ready for harvest. Today, shiitake mushrooms are grown using various methods, including laying logs, sawdust cultivation, and even liquid cultivation. Sawdust cultivation is one of the most common methods used in commercial production, and it involves mixing sawdust with shiitake spores and other nutrients to create a substrate that is then packed into bags or trays. The bags or trays are placed in a controlled environment, where temperature, humidity, and lighting are carefully regulated to encourage mushroom growth. Within a few weeks, the shiitake mushrooms begin to form and are ready for harvest. This method allows for a higher yield and faster production than traditional log cultivation, making it a popular choice among farmers. In recent years, there has been a growing interest in organic and sustainable farming practices, and shiitake mushroom cultivation is no exception. Many farmers are now using sustainable methods such as agroforestry, which involves growing shiitake mushrooms on logs in a forested area. This allows the mushrooms to grow in a natural environment, without using chemicals or other harmful practices. Overall, shiitake mushroom farming has come a long way since its early beginnings in China. Today, it is a thriving industry that provides a valuable food source and medicinal ingredient for people around the world. With the continued focus on sustainable farming practices, shiitake mushroom cultivation will likely continue to evolve and improve in the years to come. It has been an important food source and medicinal ingredient in East Asian countries for centuries. These mushrooms are known for their unique flavor, texture, and numerous health benefits. While they can be found growing in the wild, they are also commercially farmed on a large scale. Subscribe for more videos.